Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, INS Vikrant bolstering with 250 km Interceptor Missile. India's indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant is set to significantly enhance its air defense capabilities over the next 5 years with the integration of a new long-range interceptor missile bolstering a range of 250 kilometers. This development will complement the carrier's existing medium-range surface-to-air missile, which has a range of 90 kilometers and serves as its primary interceptor against aerial threats. The addition of the advanced long-range missile underscores India's commitment to strengthening its naval air defense systems and ensuring the operational resilience of its flagship carrier in an increasingly complex maritime security environment. Commissioned in September 2022, INS Vikrant is India's indigenously built aircraft carrier designed by the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau and constructed by Cochin Shipyard Limited. Next, India's M2 and M3 interceptor missiles. DRDO is making significant strides in bolstering the nation's air defense capabilities through Project Kusha, an ambitious initiative to develop an indigenous long-range surface-to-air missile system. Central to this program are the M2 and M3 interceptor missiles, with ranges of 250 kilometers and 350 to 400 kilometers respectively, designed to counter a wide array of aerial threats including aircraft and air-launched cruise missiles. Equipped with cutting-edge altitude control motors for high-precision course corrections and hit-to-kill capabilities, these missiles are set to enhance the Indian Air Force ability to neutralize sophisticated threats. Next, developing a next-generation digital active phased array radar. The DRDO has achieved a significant milestone in indigenous radar technology with the development of the digital active phased array, in short DAPA radar, a next-generation rotating active phased array multifunctions 4D radar designed for comprehensive aerial surveillance and target tracking. The DAPA radar is capable of automatic detection and tracking of aerial targets ranging from high-speed fighter aircraft to slow-moving platforms such as UAVs and helicopters. Its design incorporates advanced element-level beamforming in both transmit and receive modes, powered by digital transmit-receiver module technology. Next, Indian tries service to procure 150 Star Supersonic target units. The Indian Armed Forces, under a unified tri-service initiative, have outlined plans to procure 150 supersonic targets, that is STAR units, a cutting-edge indigenous system developed by DRDO to enhance air defense training and missile testing capabilities. The STAR, designed to simulate modern high-speed threats, is set to bolster the Indian Air Force, Indian Army, and Indian Navy preparedness to complex aerial and missile threats, aligning with India's push for self-reliance in defense technology under the Make in India initiative. The STAR system is engineered to meet stringent requirements, offering a versatile and cost-effective solution for training and testing air defense system. With a supersonic speed exceeding Mach 1.5, the STAR can replicate the flight profiles of advanced anti-ship cruise missiles and standoff weapons, making it an ideal target for live interception drills. Its low radar cross section ensures realistic simulation of stealthy threats, while its ability to mimic larger targets through programmable thermal and electronic signature allows it to emulate a wide range of enemy platforms and drones to high-speed missiles. Next, IAF bolstering defense with anti-swarm drone systems. The Indian Air Force is taking decisive steps to enhance its air defense capabilities by planning to procure advanced anti-swarm drone systems to safeguard its bases and high-value assets. This move comes in response to evolving threats, particularly after recent conflicts where the Pakistan Air Force attempted to attack IAF bases using drones. While India's existing air defense system successfully repelled these attacks, the IAF is now prioritizing the acquisition of specialized anti-swarm drone systems designed to neutralize enemy drones through kinetic attacks, ensuring robust protection against emerging aerial threats. The growing use of drone in modern warfare, including low-cost swarm-based tactics, has underscored the need for advanced countermeasures. Drone swarms comprising multiple unmanned aerial vehicles operating in coordinated attack pose a significant challenge to traditional air defense systems due to their small size, agility, and ability to overwhelm defense through sheer numbers. Next, ALH Dhruv fleet nears return to service. The Indian Navy and Coast Guard's advanced light helicopter Dhruv fleet, grounded for over 8 months following a crash, is poised to resume operation soon, according to sources cited by the Bharat Shakti portal. HAL, the manufacturer of the ALH Dhruv, is nearing the completion of a comprehensive technical investigation into the maritime variants of the helicopter. The investigation has identified necessary rectification measures with repair work to commence within a month, marking a significant step towards restoring the fleet's operational readiness. Next, GTRE reveals Kaveri engine's budget woes. The gas turbine research establishment, a key arm of India's DRDO, has shed light on the chronic underfunding of the Kaveri engine program, underscoring how limited financial support has hampered its development into a world-class aero engine. Conceived in 1983 to power India's indigenous fighter jets, the Kaveri program received a modest $239 million over its 4-decade journey, a figure that pales in comparison to the budgets allocated to similar jet engine programs worldwide. Next, Trump announces resumption of trade talks with India. In a significant step towards easing tensions, U.S. President Donald Trump announced that his administration has resumed trade negotiations with India. I am pleased to announce that India, the United States of America, are continuing negotiations to address the trade barriers between our two nations, he posted on Truth Social. Trump on Tuesday also described Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a very good friend and said he looked forward to speaking with him in the upcoming weeks. Thank you.